Many ladies have asked me the question, Guruji, for family planning, or I wanted to give more preference to my career, and that is where me and my husband decided to terminate the pregnancy, and now I am feeling guilty. My dear mothers, sisters, my job here is to heal and not to hurt anybody. I know there are thousands of ladies who are feeling absolutely guilty because it is as good as killing your own child, not allowing that life to grow in your womb. And the guilt is absolutely common. My entire job here, whatever I am doing, is not to create the guilt. One of the major mission that I have is to help you become guilt free. Many of you may be knowing, may not be knowing, but for last 20 years, I'm a certified sex counselor, sex educationist. Okay, officially, I have gone through the exams and I'm certified. And for 20 years, I had been practicing. Many people are feeling guilty because of family planning. It is a fact of life. Thousands of people I have counseled. My job is to help you to come out of guilt. How do you come out? Anytime the guilt is there, you can use the breath work or you can use the higher frequencies. There's a set of frequencies which can help you to come out of DID frequencies, lower frequencies. So there are two practical solutions. Third practical solution is higher understanding. Let's understand that the life situation was there. Sometimes it is a medical issue. Maybe the child is not growing properly or there are some issues. In that case, doctor recommends you. I can understand that. But you see, that percentage is very small because abortion is legal in India and many people are simply not taking care of using protections. They'll end up into this mess and then they go for abortion because it's officially legally allowed in India, and some countries it is allowed, some it is not legal. Okay, so it depends on country to country rules, regulations. But you as a parent, you as a mother, how do you feel about it? It's natural to feel guilty. My job is to help you to come out of guilt. And the karmic repercussion is there. There's a proper research done. So the child who wanted to come to the mother's womb is not allowed, terminated forcefully, medically, whatever is the case. That child will come back to you as a special child. I want to give you the root cause therapeutic understanding of a life situation. This is a very deep subject. You see, the law of karma is working on everybody. You may not know it, you may not believe it, it doesn't matter. It is like law of gravity. If you don't believe, even then, if you jump from the second floor, you will come down, not go up. Why? Law of gravity will take care of you. Like that, whether you know it or not, law of karma is functioning. A terminated soul will come back as your own child, but as a special child. Why? That is the law of karma. That is why now that the abortion is legal and common, you see now there are so many special children on the planet Earth. You look into the history. 50 years back, how many special children were there? Right now, how many special children are there? Right now, you see how many special children are coming. The law is working for sure. Statistic is proving. Scientists are proving the statistics. So you can't escape from the law. So the first thing, listen carefully. Be careful, use the protectives, do not land up in the mess. That is the number one most important aspect of life. I'm trying to provide the solution. It is almost impossible to undo the whole thing. But there are many ways where you can improve the life of parents of the special children and also the life of the special children. Now, I'm going to give you precisely the solutions which have worked for the parents and for the children, for the special children. How do I know? As a scientific group, we have done certain experiments in a very honest manner, in a very happy manner. What is the solution that works? sound frequencies work wonderfully for the special children. We have a set of sound frequencies. As a scientist, I designed from the scratch all these instruments. It took me a few years, my dear friend. It's not easy to design and develop an instrument and give it to the people. My lifetime I'm putting into that very intensely. So I have got certain frequencies which can help. So we went to the special children's school. There were about 15-20 special children. For a year we did that experiment, and the first thing that happened, listen carefully, this is the actual experimental data that I'm giving. The first thing that happened is all the special children who become violent just by listening to this music of specific frequencies, first thing is their violence went away. That is a fantastic breakthrough. If you can make a special child behave properly and less violent, I think in itself is a very big breakthrough, and it happened for sure and happened for all the children. Now this is like a really amazing 100% children were benefited. Okay, of course the extent will vary from child to child, but 100% the everybody experience violence reduced. So this is about a year's time. Okay, so we saw children connecting. They started connecting, they started understanding, memory power improved, confidence improved, some people's ability to play musical instruments improved, so many variations. Few children become normal and they stop coming to the special children's school, and that was the ultimate breakthrough that we wanted.